Okay, next. A copper wire has a nominal breaking strength of 300 megapascal and a reduction of area of 77%. Calculate the true tensile strength. So may hint, ang true tensile strength is the breaking load over true area. Sabat natin. So yung true tensile strength is yung breaking load over true area. Okay, so yung true area na tinutukoy dito is yung area niya talaga nung nag-ano na nasira na. Kasi ganito yan eh. Di ba kapag meron ka kunwaring ano, yan, kunyari meron kang gantong member, tapos nag-apply ka ng load, tension, di ba? So, ang mangyayari, pag nasira yan, pag ganito siya, yan siya masisira, no? Okay, so nangyari daw, dun sa area na to, no? Ito yung, ano natin, true area. Okay? So, kung tatawagin ko to na original area, AO, ang nangyari dyan, sabi sa problem, yung, yung true area ay nag-reduce ng 77%. So, ibig sabihin that is 1 minus 0.77 of the original area. Wherein, yung true area will be 0.23 of the original area. Okay? So, tapos, itong 300 megapascal, saan ba na-compute yan? Yung nominal breaking strength kasi, kino-compute yun as the breaking load divided by the original area. No, yung nominal breaking strength, kino-compute yan based sa original area, hindi based dun sa kung ano na yung niliit nung ano mo, nung area mo, no? Kaya ibig sabihin ito 300 equals the load divided by the original area. So lumalabas dito, tuloy ko lang dito ha. Lumalabas na yung breaking load ay equal sa 300 times the original area. So therefore, yung true strength is equal to breaking load, which is 300 times the original area, over the true area, which is 0.23 of the original area. So magka-cancel to and we will have our answer, which is 1,304.35. Okay, so that's how we solve this problem.